Hello everyone, working right now on this Breville controller. It's from BES990. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna uninstall. What is this even? Let me just see. I'm just gonna Google it and see. You can see here there's a damage on this leg. Let me just Google it. TEL 3063. TEL 3063. Let's see what it is. Triacs. Oh yeah, it's your Triacs. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This Triac looks kaput. Anyways, I'm gonna start my work. I'm gonna uninstall this little guy, this diode. Let me turn on my This is your diode. I need to uninstall it and let's see if I can take out this diode onto Papa. Almost. Okay, I'm letting it out. Okay, diode is out. Now let's start with those little guys, the Triacs. Yeah, it's unfortunate. I was not ready for that, honestly. I thought it's the same board. Honestly, I really want to maybe find those components somewhere. Yeah, it's a relay basically. Yeah, this is no good, so I don't want to even touch this one. Yeah, you can see it's burned out completely. It's basically a relay. So I'm going to take those ones out. It's a little big job here to do, but I don't really have a choice. I mean, I do have a choice, but it's probably going to be the parts from somewhere Australia or something, and it's going to take some time until I get them. Those ones, they come out quite nicely. I need to get this one out too. And it's siliconed in, very nice. Let's see if it will. Actually, the components are coming out quite nicely. I didn't expect it. Like on this side, obviously it's all sticky and stuff, so it takes a little longer to come out, but this side is actually not too bad, and I think it comes out already. Yeah, it's all sticky, you see all this glue. Okay, I'm going to take one more Triac and then I will stop the video for today, and then I'll keep you guys posted on this repair with this controller. And I have to do the same thing on the other side for the controller, so I have to take all those ones out too. It's a little test that I'm doing. I never fixed those boards yet, but you know what, I'm learning every day something new. Those guys, they come out quite nicely. I'm really impressed. Let's see, maybe I'll do one more. You know what, just because those other two went so nicely, I'll do one more, and that's it, and then I'm stopping the video. Okay, let's try it out. Well, come on. One leg stuck. One leg. Come on, come on, come on. Awesome. Oh, still one leg stuck. Okay, no, sorry. Okay guys, this is the parts that I need for the other repair. If you guys have any questions, you can comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and take care. Bye bye.